I think the plumbing course can be for anyone. It's just something you can get on with, and it's a lot more fun making loads of new friends while learning new skills. All the support I've been getting from members of staff has been out of this world, because I'm finding it a lot of fun, because I'm more of a hands-on worker.
Facilities are great. There's tools here, there's all the different bays, so there's never not enough room. There's always plenty of room for people around here. The lecturers and the staff, they've been marvellous, they've been fantastic. They have. If I've ever been stuck, they've always had the time to show me. They've never been too busy. They treat us more like friends than students. When we finish, then obviously they help us get our health and safety and our CSS card, and they advise us which way to go to find employment from the college, and it's a good experience, it is.